Okay, good. Good morning, everyone. Just checking the systems because I'm working off of a laptop today. And even when I'm not working off the laptop, you guys know I mess up. So hopefully I'm not messing up today. Anyway, welcome to today's meditation. Today's meditation is going to be light entering in. So I'm Nora Truscello with Intuition, and we're just going to jump right in because this meditation's you're not going to want to get out of it. So I'm going to use as much time as possible in it. We're going to start with the prayer protection and the Lord's Prayer. Going to be a very simple guidance. We're going to sit in silence. I do not have my chimes to let you know when we're going to come out of it, so I'll just begin speaking. We're going to come out with the 23rd Psalm to secure ourselves up. So, as promised, this one you're going to want to be in, so let's get started right away. Exhale as much of your breath as possible and take a deep inhale. And as you let your breath out, close your eyes and relax. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. Okay, from this place, we're just going to relax and close our eyes. And I think I'm getting myself distracted. I apologize. Let us scan our bodies, bring our mind to the top of our heads, and gently scan your body for any tightness, any knots. If you should come upon them, invite yourself to relax, to let go, to release any tension in that spot. Continue to move through your body. And now let's bring our attention to above our heads. Just above our heads, look straight up in your mind's eye, is this magnificent, glorious angel of light. Notice the power, the brilliance, the strength, the peace, the love that's emanating from this beautiful angel. This angel's always with you. This angel's always guiding you if you listen and paying attention to its signs. Let us watch this beautiful angel now. See it start to liquefy, turn into this beautiful stream, and feel it pouring into your head, rapidly filling your body, right down your spine. This liquefied, beautiful angel is now within you. Feel it spreading through your body, filling every cell, filling every organ, every part of you, every little molecule that the cells are made up of. Feel the warmth, the tingling, but mostly the unconditional love. Feel the desire that it has to help you. Allow it to actually move slightly out of your physical body while you're filled with it. Excess is moving out into your energy fields, to your etheric field, into your aura, back into the astral field. You are now totally one with this beautiful divine angel. Let us sit and listen. Sit in peace. Let us start to bring ourselves into the present, allowing this angel of light to always be within us, always being strong, always being a part of us, because it is always a part of us. But let our awareness be with this angel today. Let us have that extra attention upon him or her today. And we will, as we pull ourselves into the present, we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me besides the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. So I love that meditation. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a comment below. But like and share, people. Like and share this page. Let's get this light of the divine out beyond our little community and into the world. Have a blessed day, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye bye.